My name is Evan Byrne. I'm Phase 3 of a fitting apprenticeship with Major Equipment. I've worked in multiple different areas around the factory, including R&D, welding and assembly. I enjoy working with Major because it's very hands-on and everyone is very helpful.
My name is Kevin O'Gara and I chose the Major Apprenticeship because I know I have a full qualification in fitting and metal work. It's great to work close to home as well.
My name is Michael Maguire. I'm on Phase 1 of a mechanical fitting apprenticeship in Major Machinery. Today I'm working on cyclone mowers and they're sold all over the world. It's great to be involved with that.
My name is Paul Kilkenny. I'm in Phase 5 of a mechanical fitting apprenticeship. Major is a great environment to learn. Everybody here is very friendly. You can ask them anything and they've no problem showing you what to do. College isn't for everyone. Some people like myself prefer to be hands-on.